Hello and welcome to Whisk It Up. Whisk It Up is a segment I recently introduced to this YouTube channel. It will be dealing with baked goods and anything to do with a bakery, anything you can find in a bakery. I will be talking about it. I do run a home bakery. So if you would love to order any cakes, you can check out my page, my Instagram page. It's Sweet Savannah Bakery, where you get to see the things I have done in the past and also order your own cakes. Welcome again, and I really hope that this segment of Whisk It Up is going to add value to your life, to your bakery, and in any way you would want to add value to your life. Thank you. This is just a tip that I'm sharing. So when you put your cake in the oven, put it at the center. So I was baking using two trays, and they couldn't fit at one position, all of them. So I had to put one tray at the top and another tray at the bottom. Now when you look at this cake, this tray, the tray that had this cake was at the top, and it was going towards the direction the heat was coming from. But this one was at the bottom tray. You see, it's even, it does not have the irregular shape. So this is one of the tips these are some of the tips I will be sharing in the Whisk It Up segment, that is all about cakes, bakery stuff, and all that you need to know. So one tip, if you want your cakes to come out like this, put them in the center position of the oven, because there the heat is even, unlike at the top where the heat is a lot on one side. I hope you put that tip to practice. But the good thing about these cakes is that they are just for home consumption, but I can sell this one I would be comfortable selling this to a client. So that's it about my tip in this video. I hope you try this recipe. It has been linked in the description below. Thank you and goodbye. Stay tuned for many other recipes that are coming on this channel.